Alright, so we've got some new knives from TacKnives. If you haven't heard of them, they sell really high quality knives. I carry them every single day. When I found out about this company, I ordered me a few. I've got quite a few of their knives, and then I've been carrying them for maybe 2 years now, maybe even longer than that. Really love all of their stuff. They have a huge selection. And then they actually reached out to me and sent these a couple of their new knives out to show off. So I am really psyched about showing them to you, and just to let you know that they did send these two to me, but all the other ones that I have actually bought with my own money. So the first one I want to show off that they sent out is this guy. This is the new Prism OTF knife. If you are unaware, OTF is out the front. They usually have some kind of switch that you can push forward, and it is spring loaded and comes out, and you pull the switch back and it goes back in there. The switch right here and the clip are both made out of stainless steel. The blade is actually made from D2 steel. It's 2.7 millimeters thick and is 3.5 inches long. And the material for the handle, like you see here, is made out of 6061 T6 aluminum. It is 5 inches long. You can get this guy in a bunch of different colors. You can get it in tan, black, blue, green, and pink, if that's your thing. So the overall length with this guy extended is 8.5 inches and just weighs in at 3.4 ounces. This guy, regular price, comes in at $100. But another really cool thing about their website, you can go on there all the time and find different knives that they sell for real cheap. There's a bunch of different like YouTube channels that you can get discount codes on, and you can if you sign up, they've got an email service. You can get deals on different stuff, so you can get a bunch of really high quality knives for very reasonably priced. Something else before the other knife that they sent out is you can get a couple of different cases. This is just a one to go on your belt that's just got the buckle like that. This one is more of like a case. You unzip and it's got some real nice soft material in here, and you can stick different ones in here like that for storage, whatever, if that's your thing. I'm not real big into like cases or holders like this. I usually have it clipped in my pocket, in my pants, and when I'm not using them, I have a whole drawer of blades that I just throw in there, and if I want to switch one out, start carrying something else, I can just go in there and grab it, and the old one just throw it back in there. And now on to the next knife that they sent out. Is a very nice one. This is the Micarta Komodo folding knife. This does have a front flipper tab right here, so you can open this really easy with just one hand. Don't need both. And it is extremely smooth opening and closing. And the handle material on this is actually micarta. Was wondering why it was called the Micarta Komodo, and that is referring to the material of the handle here. And I actually have never even heard of this until this, and I started doing some research for this video, but it's actually a pretty old, labor-intensive, kind of like plastic laminate material, but they are generally really expensive if you get a knife with a micarta handle. That's usually a very high quality material and a very expensive material. The blade, just like the other blade they sent out, is D2 material. It's got a satin finish and is 3.19 inches long. And the overall length with this guy extended is 7 3/8 inches long. And the weight comes in at just 3.6 ounces. You can get this guy on their website for right around $60. Although, like I was talking earlier about different sales and stuff, at the time of filming this, if you look up this blade on their website, it's actually priced at just $40. So it's going to depend on what blade you're looking at and what time you're looking at, and if you have any kind of a deal or discount code that they send, you can get a lot of really nice blades for very cheap. Like I said, I really love TacKnives. I've got a bunch of different blades. I'm gonna put I'm gonna be putting these two new ones into my rotation. I change out different blades every once in a while, just cause. But I really like TacKnives. Like I said, I've paid for them and carried them even before they reached out to me and asked if I'd be interested in doing this video, showing these two new ones off. So I really highly recommend you checking them out at their website at TacKnives.com. That is all for today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this. If you head over to TacKnives.com, be sure to tell them that Josh Wiley sent you. That is all for today's video. Be sure to get down in the comment section below, and I will see you guys in the next one.